Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. I'm sorry I'm starting this vlog in a mall. I forgot to do the intro while I was still in the house, but guys, I'm currently at Novare Mall. I came to buy some things. There are some things that I've been looking for. I just know that I can only find it here in ShopRite, so I decided to come to ShopRite. I don't know, can you guys even hear me? Guys, this face mask is just so uncomfortable, but I mean, we just have to wear it. Anyways guys, I came here to buy some things and I have two recipes I would like to share with you guys. I don't know if I'm going to show you guys that today because the traffic where hooked me now as I come was a lot, and you know, traffic going back is crazy. Let me see if I can show you guys that, but then it's crazy. Guys, I know it's far, but you can see how slowly vehicles are moving, especially on the other side, like the ones going this way. It's crazy. So I don't know when I'll get home. I'm not really sure if I'll still be able to make the things I want to show you guys. Okay, let's just go and shop. I don't even know if I'll be able to vlog inside because I'm tired. Okay, but I'm definitely going to show you guys whatever it is that I pick when I get to the house. All right, bye guys.
Your sweet words draw me in like a bright glow in a dark night. I think I fell for you, but only for a night.
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back home and the traffic today, first of all, I got ice, and as soon as I got to the house I realized that my ice had already turned to water. What does that tell you? I've been in traffic. Okay, like I'm so exhausted. Today is Saturday and I wish I did not even step out of my house at all today. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned it at ShopRite. Today is Vlogmas day 12 because I think it's the 12th of December. Yeah, it's the 12th of December, guys. I actually went to buy a few things. I want to show you guys a recipe or two, I don't know. I'll show you guys my cocktail recipe. Of course, it's a festive season and a lot of people are going to be visiting you. You know, you don't want to go and be buying drink every single time. You can just, you know, mix one or two things together and come up with an exciting drink. They will not know the name of the drink you give them. Even if they know the taste, they're not going to ask you because you go pour them inside waiting, inside empty bottle. Okay, so I'll show you guys my recipe for Chapman, and I also have plans, guys. I'm going to be bringing out the things I got one after the other. I got chicken breast. This is what it looks like, and I got this for 1,674 naira 39 kobo. Okay, so I want to use this for chicken stir fry. I think I mentioned it in like how many vlogs ago, before Vlogmas. Yeah, before Vlogmas. So I'm finally making that. I feel like this is not the first bag I should have shown you guys. I got Pringles. This is the hot and spicy Pringles. It's been long I sat down to do an unboxing of things I bought, right? I actually missed doing that with you guys. I got cheese balls. I got two of these. I remember that it was during that lockdown period that I usually just go and buy things, then come back and show you guys. I don't think I've done this in a very long time. I don't think so. I also got black pepper. And yes, I took out all the nails. I'm going to go and get them done now. Then I also got one spaghetti. This is Honeywell. And on my way back, I saw this aboki selling onions. I bought 200 naira onions. Guys, see 200 naira onions. Hold on. Only 3. Cup 200 naira. Times are hard. Onions now are gold. Guys, let me know, is it still so bad in your area? Or you know, can you now buy like 200? And before I would buy 200, they'll give me 1 or 2, but now 3. So if like say things don't do better. I got meat pie, guys. I've not eaten today, but yeah, that's by the way. It's not the meat pie. Yeah, like guys, let me show you. Betha, you're so vain. Look what I got. Yeah, now we have this. I actually got this one and I got this one as well. No, they use our pineapple cup again. I don't buy cup, guys. This cup is heavy, but yeah, I bought this because I actually want to use it for the Chapman, just to show you guys. Maybe this one and this one. I got this one for I think 600 naira or thereabout, while I got this one for 500 naira. So if I let me just put them here, maybe no break. Okay, we don't finish that our wine, no, but subsequently we shall have things to do with this glass apart from the Chapman that I'm about to show you guys. Then I got drinks, guys. I'm going to be using this for one of the recipes, one of the Chapman recipes I'll be showing you guys. Then I also got this Schweppes Chapman. This is what it looks like. I don't know if I'll still end up showing you guys this. All this one requires from you is just pouring it in a glass, adding some ice, you know, adding cucumbers and all of that stuff, and it's ready to serve. But this one we're going to do a little bit of combination, you know. Then this is my favorite drink right now, guys. I've not really been buying Pepsi that much. This is Tomiwa's mom's favorite drink, so I started drinking it and I kind of like it. So yeah, that's why I got one. Then of course I really love this juice. I actually got Fanta, this one, so maybe I'm going to use this and this because of the measurement purposes. I don't know yet. Okay, then in here, this is the last bag, I promise. Oh, I also got oranges on my way back because the Chapman would require orange, you know. So I got this two for 50 naira. What else did I get? Serviettes. I got this one from my aboki that is right in front of my estate, you know. So let me just show you what I have here. I have one cucumber. I have 2 yellow peppers, 2 green peppers, 2 red peppers. All these are for my chicken stir fry. And because I told him I needed just little carrots, you know, he decided to just dash me these 3 carrots. So these are the things I'm going to be using for my chicken stir fry. I don't know if I'm going to post this particular chicken stir fry recipe today. I might just post it for you guys tomorrow as day 13, so that content no go finish. Okay, now someone they post content every day, so not post everything at once. All right, so this is everything I went to get at ShopRite. Oh no, I got toothbrushes, and last but not the least, I also got lemon from ShopRite, and this one I got for 289 naira, 1 lemon. Hey, okay. Anyway, ShopRite is. Then this one, oh my god, the hair don't fall komoto. Guys, I can't find it. This is my antiperspirant. I was introduced to this particular brand by Eve. The last time I went to see her, well, like that was the first time I ever went to see her. She gifted me this, and ever since I've been buying it. In fact, I've used up about 2 or 3 already, and this will be like the 4th time I'm buying this, and I don't know how I'm going to use this thing now that this one has fallen off now. Which kind of wallet with this one? Anyways, guys, that's basically everything. Let me just sort this out and then show you guys the recipe because I need to go and get these nails done today. I'm going to be showing you 2 recipes that you can make, you know, 2 Chapman recipes that you can actually make in the house. For the first one, we'll be using this canned Fanta. We'll be using this canned 7-Up. I'll be using some chopped cucumber. I'll be using this lemon that I bought for 300 naira. Well, I never really understand what's in I buy, but yeah, ShopRite level. And then we'll be using this orange, okay? And of course, we'll need a jar or a jug, whichever the case might be. All right, now for the second one, this is what you'll be needing. You'll be needing some pineapples, not a lot of it, which is why I have this cubed ones here. And then in here I have 1 full orange. I just squeezed the juice into this place. Here we have our zobo leaves. I've washed it. This is also called hibiscus. And in here we have some sugar. I'm going to try and write the measurement for you guys in the description, even though I did not really use any measurement. This one is about 1/4 cup of sugar, not a lot. This one is just like a handful of zobo leaves. This is one whole orange. This is just a tiny slice of pineapple that I diced up. So I guess I've covered that. I don't have to write anything in the description box anymore. So we'll start off with this one. Now let me just mention something to you guys. I actually tried to get the Angostura bitters. That would actually give it an alcoholic feel and a little bit of bitterness. But I couldn't find it. I really don't know what the problem was. I couldn't find it anywhere. Also, I wanted to add granadina syrup, but I did not find that either. So I'm just going to go on ahead and mix all of this up. And like I said, you can also add some ice, but because my own ice melted before I got home, by the time I'm done mixing all of this, I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator for it to chill, and then you can drink it. You can actually drink this almost immediately after preparation. Okay, so I feel like I'm talking too much. Let me quickly get to it and show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, all right guys, to make things a little bit faster, I've gone ahead to slice the orange into 2 equal halves, and then 1 half of it I actually cubed them with the back. And then this one we're going to be squeezing into the jar. Same thing happened with the lemon. I cut it into half and then cubed half of it while we're going to squeeze this into the jar. So just in case you're using ice, the first thing you need to pour into your jar would be your ice. But because we're skipping that part, I'm just going to go on ahead and pour my drinks. Guys, make sure to rinse the top of your canned drinks before you use them, because you really don't know how dusty those things have been on the shelf, you know. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour all of this in. So I got this one because it's the 33 cl, and I'm also using, how many cl is this? It's about 330 ml. I think it equals to 33 cl. Guys, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, because all these things I don't really know, but you know. If you don't have 7-Up, you can actually go ahead and use Sprite. I do not like Sprite that much, so I chose to go for 7-Up instead. You know, see, this thing I just pour, now be the thing. Next thing, I'm going to go ahead and pour in my cucumbers. All of that goes. Next thing, I'll pour my oranges into it. And I'm going to squeeze this in as well, just for extra taste and all. If you have a juicer, please use it to, you know, for this side with the rugged things. So yeah, I'm just going to squeeze that in. Some people prefer to use orange juice, but I prefer to use the actual orange. So I'm just going to squeeze in this lemon. I know that I'm wasting this lemon because not a lot of it is coming off, but guys, if you have power, press pass like that. Then I'm just going to pour this one in as well. Like I mentioned earlier, if you want it to be an alcoholic Chapman, at this point you can go on ahead and add your Angostura bitters. I'm not adding it because I couldn't find it, okay? I'm also not adding any syrup to this because I couldn't find granadina. So I'm just going to go ahead and stir this all up. I'm using my wooden spatula. Guys, you can let this refrigerate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how fast your refrigerator is, and then you're ready to serve. Okay, all right guys, for a fast process, let me just show you guys what your drink is supposed to look like when you pour it into a glass, or basically how you can serve your Chapman to your guest and all of that. But after showing you this, I'm going to put it back in my refrigerator because I need it to be really chilled. But I just want you guys to see what it's supposed to look like. All right, I'm just giving this another stir, and I'm going to go ahead and pour some of it into my glass. I'm creating a mess already, but yeah, ignore the mess. In fact, no, let's clean that up. So this is what our Chapman is looking like, and to make it extra beautiful, you can just grab a slice of cucumber and just cut it a little bit this way, and voila, your drink is ready to be served. Okay, if you give them to any of your visitors, they're not going to know whether it's Fanta or whether it's 7-Up or Sprite. They'll just think and say, ah, this thing tastes like Fanta, but it's not really Fanta. This thing tastes like this, but it's not really this. Just cause confusion this December. Nobody give them the same thing when they're already used to. So come out time for the packet, pour them for glass, put some medemede inside. You know, Chapman don't already be that. It would have been nicer if I had my syrup in this, or just a little bit of the Angostura bitters, but this is perfect. Okay, yeah, we're done with the first recipe. Now for the next recipe, there's going to be a little bit of cooking. Okay, so let's just go on ahead and prepare this. First, you want to pour in your washed zobo leaf into a pot or a pan. whatever you have. Me, I get frying pan. I use frying pan. I'm also going to be pouring my sugar into this. You can reduce or choose to increase the amount of sugar you add to this depending on how much of a sweet tooth you are. Okay, next up we're going to add some water into this just for it to boil, not too much. This is okay. And then we're going to turn this on and let it cook. Now while that is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and blend this because we actually need the juice. I'm going to blend this and strain it as well, okay? So I'm just going to add my strainer to this and pour in my juice. You want to use a spoon to press that down. So basically you can use more pineapples, more oranges, depending on the quantity of juice you're making. So guys, this is what I'm left with in the sift. So I'm just going to discard this. This is basically what we need. And of course, our orange juice as well, which I'm also going to sieve when the time is right. So let's go back to check on our zobo leaves, okay? Guys, this has been boiling nicely. So we're just going to turn off the heat now and let this cool for a little bit before we use it, okay? We're going to let this cool for a little bit and then we'll sieve it as well because we only need the juice from this, okay? So the first thing I'm going to pour into the glass would be our pineapple juice. You can use any juice you like. You can go ahead and use your grape juice and all of that, but I prefer to use pineapple because pineapple is one of my favorite fruits, you know. After that, I'll go ahead and pour in my orange juice. I've gone on to sieve that and I'm just going to pour that in. Guys, like I said earlier, if you have ice should be the first thing you put into your glass before going ahead to pour your juice. If you want it to be a full glass, you can go on ahead and do that. I'm basically using little quantity of fruits just to show you guys how to make this. So my glass is probably not going to be full because I use just one orange and a few cubes of pineapple. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and stir this now. I wish I had my ice. I wish that ice did not melt. But after stirring this, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and pour in your zobo juice. Now you need to pour it from one end of the glass. That's what makes it zobo sunrise. Watch what's going to happen. When I pour this into the glass now, it's going to go all the way to the bottom of the glass and then it will slowly begin to rise. Hence why it's called zobo sunrise. Okay, so yeah, let me show you that. See, it's all the way down. It's going to gradually find its way up, so I'm just going to pour a little bit more. There you have it. So this is another beautiful Chapman. If you're in a hurry, just go ahead and stir it. I know say some of you don't get patience, okay? So let's just do that because it be like say myself, I don't get patience this afternoon. So once you stir it, this is basically what it's supposed to look like. Guys, this is best served when it's chilled. Alright, this is not really chilled right now because all my ingredients were not really in the fridge. So just in case you want to make this, make sure that your juice is cold. Make sure that your orange juice, you put it in the fridge for a little bit. But yeah, this is basically what it's going to look like. Alright.